Child custody in the state of Missouri is controlled by the statutes. There's 8 factors that the courts consider. You have legal custody, which is who makes the decisions regarding the children. You have physical custody, where the children are going to live for mailing and education purposes, and then you have visitation. And this is the area where if you're going to fight over custody, it gets very ugly. It gets very ugly very quickly, even though the black letter of the law says custody is not about punishing a parent. So let's say you have mom who has committed adultery and dad's filed for divorce, and dad wants full custody of the children because of mom's behavior. While it may be a factor that the courts consider in the division of property, it is not a factor that the courts consider in the custody matters, because, again, custody is not about punishing a parent. A parent can be an adulteress and be a great parent. And so the factors that the courts consider are what the children want, what the parents want, who's going to allow frequent, meaningful, and continuous contact. That is a big factor that we have seen courts litigate time and time again, and it's why I tell people, hey, if you want to fight for custody of your child, do not use that child as a pawn in a game. Do not keep that child away from the other parent, because no judge is going to be able to award time to make up the time that's lost. And there's several other factors that the courts consider. One misnomer I hear constantly, and it must be on the internet, is that when children get to be 13, they get to make the decision of where they want to live. That is not true. And the desire of a child, the desire of the parents, that's all factors that the courts consider, but there's no automatic age at which a child gets to make that decision. And in fact, it's kind of harmful to put that kind of pressure on a child to say, hey, when you get to be this age, then you can tell the judge where you want to live, and he's going to do that. But no, the judge isn't going to do what the child wants just because the child's a certain age. That's not how that works.